Alright, so we're here with, is it Adair, the last name, right? Shakur Adair. Stand-up goalkeeper, I feel like Tivoli Gardens' best player today. What was that game like?
To me, the best game we play right now. Just my defender them laps for me, and my forward them I get chances and not putting them away. So if JC get chance, I'm gonna just put it away. So that I beat we.
Alright, this definitely like a more improved Tivoli Gardens team from last year, and I feel like you guys have a relatively successful season last year. What can we look forward to from Tivoli Gardens this year?
We're gonna fight. As I said, we're gonna fight. We're gonna go to the finals, buckle back on JC again and show them who's the boss.
Alright, what did JC offer today? You know, it seemed like you guys were in the game, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and you guys were posing a bit threat to them. But then towards the end of the first half and the second half, it just petered off. What happened?
As I said already, I'm just defending them, just laps by me, and JC get composed. So them start knock the ball, showboat, and do all these things. So I try get my team back, getting them to work them head, trying to get them to help me, and then it's like still a lapse that I beat me.
Alright, well, keep the confidence going. Tivoli Gardens is a good team, I can see from today. So I hope you guys have a good season and see you guys in the final, is it?
Yeah, man. Yes.
Alright, big up.
Yeah.